Celebrate one of the biggest motorcycle events in the year, which is Sturgis event. Of course, we don't live in Sturgis; we live in Spirit Lake. What's that?
Second best thing.
Second best thing, because
all
right up the road. The Indian motorcycles are built right up the road, so perfect. So what we're doing is our event is what, Ashley?
So it's a kickoff to Ride to Sturgis, and we're doing a ride around Okoboji. We're also having a show and shine, a loud exhaust contest, and a bike blessing, and then a concert up at the barn.
Yeah, so everything starts at 9 a.m., runs through 6 p.m. down here. There's also going to be 4 food trucks. We're going to have some bike specials. We're going to do some really cool events like she just said. And then at 6 o'clock, Farm Rock kicks off up at the barn.
Yep. You can get refreshments, you can get drinks all day, and Jack Daniels is going to be here as well, engraving bottles, as Kevin the Barrel Man will be signing them as well.
Yeah, we saved the best for last. As you can see, we're standing by the Jack Daniels Edition Roadmaster. So we definitely want to talk about Jack Daniels. So that event starts at 11 a.m. and they'll engrave a Jack Daniels Gentleman Jack bottle. Like she said, Kevin will sign the front of it, engraving on the back, be special edition to the first annual Ride to Sturgis. And then also Ashley commissioned some t-shirts. Can you explain about the t-shirts?
Yes, so they're Ride to Sturgis t-shirts. They're kind of only here for the kind of the day. Yeah, just bike over the lake. It's pretty cool.
Everybody likes a cool t-shirt.
Oh yeah.
So they kind of got to come here to get a preview of it. Tony here with Okoboji Motorsports. You need to come down, and we got a few things going on here today, don't we, Kevin?
We do have several things going on.
Yeah, we got the Jack Daniels crew here. Kevin's the barrel man. Glad you could stop by.
Came all the way from Lynchburg, Tennessee.
So if you need to know anything about whiskey or barrels, he's your guy.
Love talking about it.
What we're doing here is we're the kickoff to the Ride to Sturgis. You can come down, you can bring your own bottle of Jack Daniels, and we'll get it custom engraved. Mr. Kevin here will put his John Henry on there for you. So,
and this is a great bottle of Gentleman Jack, all the way from Lynchburg, Tennessee. Every drop is made in Lynchburg, no doubt. And Jack Daniels Indian, we team up a lot for different motorcycle rides and all. We always want to stress the responsibility. We want to make sure that people don't mix. We have a good slogan that says bottles and throttles don't mix. And we like to do that, so let's get out and have a nice ride.
See if